My name is Surbhi. I have come to Artbeat to learn acrylic paintings, and this was my first time I was working on acrylic painting. I did not have much experience before that, and overall my experience was amazing. Nita ma'am, Kansha ma'am and Namrata ma'am has spent a lot of time with me, but special thanks to Namrata ma'am who has kept a lot of patience with me while working on a lot of minute things. She has taught me a lot how to smudge, how to use the colors, how to see the patterns, and as an artist how you need to see while working on your paintings instead of just focusing on the colors, the patterns. Overall it was a lovely experience, and I would like to come again to work on few of my other areas of painting. Thank you.
She's my